Hi everyone. Before you buy a small electric dirt bike like this, there's one question I think really matters. Is it just a fun-looking toy, or is it actually built well enough to use regularly? That was honestly my biggest question when I first got this electric dirt bike. From the pictures, it has that mini moto style look, and it definitely looks sharp. But I wanted to know if it would feel solid once it showed up, if it would be easy to put together, and if it would actually be fun after the first few rides. Right out of the box, my first impression was pretty good. The bike arrived packaged well, and nothing about the setup felt confusing. Assembly was straightforward, and I really liked that the tools needed for assembly came with it in a tool bag. That's a small thing, but it makes the whole process feel less frustrating, especially if you just want to get it together and start riding. The manual also made the steps easy to understand, so this didn't turn into one of those long, annoying assembly projects. Once it was together, the bike looked even better in person. It has a clean, sharp, stylish look, and the moto-style design really gives it more personality than a regular electric bike. The stance is compact, but it doesn't look flimsy. The hardware felt surprisingly good, and the overall build quality was better than I expected for this type of bike. The size is one of the things I like most about it. It's smaller than a normal dirt bike, which makes it really useful as a pit bike, especially if you're moving around quickly at a racetrack, campsite, or on road trips. At the same time, it's not so tiny that only kids can enjoy it. I'm a bigger adult, and this little bike still has enough pull to be genuinely fun. It's also a great size for a younger rider, like a 12-year-old, around 105 pounds. But because it can move quickly, I definitely set some clear ground rules before just handing it over. The ride itself is smooth and quiet, which makes it more enjoyable than I expected. It doesn't have that loud dirt bike noise, so it feels easier to use in more casual settings. But quiet does not mean slow. The acceleration is one of the biggest surprises. For a smaller electric dirt bike, it takes off with more confidence than I expected. And compared with other e-bikes I've ridden, the acceleration feels way stronger. If you're thinking about getting one, I actually found a pretty good price on this. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. Another thing I really appreciate is the battery setup. The battery life has been better than expected, and I haven't had any real issues with it. Watt-hour out I especially like is that the battery can be charged either in the bike or out of the bike. That makes a big difference in daily use. I can remove the battery and charge it indoors, which is just more convenient. This bike also has a nice planted feel. It has some weight to it, around 80 pounds, and that helps it feel more stable rather than feeling like something that's going to bounce around underneath you. It's still compact and manageable, but it doesn't feel like a cheap lightweight toy. One rider has even put over 600 miles on one in about 7 months, and that says a lot about how usable this thing can be when you actually enjoy riding it. For safety and street-style convenience, I also like that it comes with lights. It has headlights, taillights, and turn signals, which add to the overall feel of it being more than just a basic backyard bike. The hydraulic brakes are another strong point. They feel much better than flimsy cable pull brakes, and that matters because this bike can get up and go. It can reach up to around 35 miles per hour, so good brakes and responsible riding are important. Now, I don't want to oversell it as some high-performance machine, because that's not really what it is. If you already ride bigger electric dirt bikes, those are going to be faster and more serious. But for its size and class, this thing is genuinely impressive. It's more of a fun, beginner-friendly, moto-style electric bike that can still surprise you with how quick it feels. For beginners, I think it's a great way to get into the hobby. It's fun, easy to operate, and not overly complicated. For kids or younger riders, I'd say teaching, rules, and responsibility need to come with it. These types of bikes can be a lot of fun, but they're still fast enough that you need to take them seriously. A helmet, safe riding area, and clear limits are not optional in my opinion. There are a couple of small downsides. One is that I wish the kickstand were a little longer. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something I noticed. Also, if you're expecting a full-size dirt bike feel, remember that this is smaller and more compact. That's part of the appeal for me, but it may not be what every rider is looking for. Overall though, I'm really happy with this electric dirt bike. It's easy to assemble, looks great, rides quietly, has strong acceleration, and feels well built for what it is. The battery has been solid, the brakes feel good, and the included lights and turn signals make it feel more complete. Whether you want a pit bike, a beginner moto-style bike, or just something fun to ride around responsibly, I think it offers a lot of value. So my final take is this. It's not a professional high-performance dirt bike, but it doesn't need to be. It's a sharp-looking, quick, fun, well-built electric dirt bike that's easy to enjoy. For the price and the overall experience, I'd absolutely consider buying it again. Feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.